Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Hope you are doing great. Today we are going to start a new series, a verb a day. So, learning the verbs only is not going to help you in learning Malayalam, but learning the different usages of it is really going to give you a good command over the language. So when I thought about it, I thought I should start a series and I should start teaching one verb a day to you. So that is going to start today, and today I'm going to start with the verb ask in Malayalam. So stay with me. This is going to be a very short video but with ton of information. So let's get started. Ask in Malayalam is chodikkuga. Chodikkuga. So the only words I have used in this series, in this session, is nyan, which is I, and ask, chodikkuga. And I have written the Malayalam word in Malayalam. So nyan and chodikkuga are the two words I have used. The first usage, nyan chodikkukayanu. I am asking. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. I am asking, which is in present tense. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചു. I asked, past tense. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കും. I will ask, future tense. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കും. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു or ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. I had asked, which is past perfect. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു or ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. I have asked. Present perfect. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുമായിരിക്കും. I may probably ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുമായിരിക്കും. I may probably ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കും. I will definitely ask. I will definitely ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ or ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കട്ടെ. May I ask or let me ask. You can use both these forms for both these sentences. May I ask or let me ask can be denoted by ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ or ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കട്ടെ. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. I am going to ask. I am going to ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. I might have asked. This is when you have a scenario like when you are not really sure about what you have asked. So I might have asked. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചോ. Did I ask? Did I ask? ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചോ. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കില്ല. I will not ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കില്ല. I will not ask. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചാലോ. What if I ask? ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചാലോ. What if I ask? ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. I was asking. So this is past continuous. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. ചോദിച്ചേ മതിയാവൂ. ചോദിച്ചേ മതിയാവൂ. There is no other way but ask. There is no other way but ask. So these were the 15 usages of the verb ask in Malayalam. So I hope you got a lot of information from this, and this will be really helpful if you are trying to make a conversation in Malayalam. So what do you think about this video? Please do comment about it and give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed or if you are a new person watching my video, please subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing more and more good Malayalam learning sessions in front of you. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.